Twinkle. Say hi, Twinkle. Oh, purr. Look at me. Hi. Welcome to my channel. I'm Nini, and yeah. So today I'm planning to do an Arabic eye makeup look. I hope I will succeed or something, but I'll try my best. So enjoy the tutorial. Okay, we started with our eye first, since this is going to be very heavy look. So I'm going to do my eyebrow and we'll be right back after this. So this is what I have done beforehand. I have done my eyebrows as well. And now we have to prep our eyelid by putting eye primer. Just a bit will go a long way. Just apply it. And then with matte Lopez, just apply it on the top crease like so. Okay, next we're using Beauty Glazed eyeshadow with this red brick color. Just put it below the crease like so, just below the one that we applied before. Okay, with this coffee color from Beauty Glazed eyeshadow, just apply it around the crease like so, because you wanted to get that sort of color transition, and I want to make it a bit darker, so it will make my eyes appear bigger. With this Naturactor Code 130, we're going to conceal our crease, because we're going to do some cut crease. Since this is Arabic look, so we wanted to make sure our eyes look bigger. Okay. With Artisan from Hidden Treasure from Tarte, we applied our inner corner of our eyes, so. And then with Matte Kumar, we applied in the middle of our eyelid. And then with Matte Ahmed, outer corner of our eyes. So we're going to make some color transition from here, from dark to light. And then with a clean brush, we just blend the color so it won't look too harsh. Here, I'm applying Kumar and Ahmed to the eyelid, so the color will be more vibrant. And then I will get a clean clean brush to blend it all out, so it won't look too harsh. Then we go back to Artisan by Tarte. Just clean up the cut crease that we made, like so. Looking good. Okay, just get rid of this first, and you just clean it up the side so it look more sharp. And with any liquid eyeliner that you have, just start doing your eyeliner. Here I'm doing cat liner. Is it cat eyeliner or cat liner? I know it's called cat liner. So yeah. Now using your favorite eyeliner, just apply it on your waterline like so. And then let me put my fake lashes, and boom! Yeah, I'm looking good. Now just apply your favorite mascara. Here I'm using Syok Mascara. Looking cute. Okay, first we have to clean out our face like so. So easier to apply foundation later on, okay? Okay, the face, then with Miracle Bio water, moisturize face, let it dry, then put in primer. And next is foundation, Maybelline Fit Me foundation code 220 mixed with Maybelline Fit Me foundation 128.
Mix it all together and apply it on the face. And next is highlight our face using Naturactor, code 130. Apply it under your eye, on your nose, hollow of your cheek, your forehead. Mwah! And just blend it. Now contour time with this contour powder from Tarte Hidden Treasure palette. I just put it all on my cheek, like so. My forehead and my jawline, and then you just blend, blend, blend. And then with Laneige for a powder, you just set your makeup using this. Or you can use any loose powder you have, okay? You don't have to be exactly ikut aku lah. Mana tak ada-ada, mana sedar-sedar. Just set makeup dulu guna tu, and then buangkannya. And with that same powder, contour powder, just contour your nose. Or you don't have any contour color, you just get anything that is few shades darker than your skin, like eyeshadow or anything, and just apply it at side of your nose like so. And don't forget to blend it, okay? And then with this color, you highlight your eyes like so, underneath your eyes to give that more spark. And then make sure your eyeshadow your upper shadow is the same color with your lower eyeshadow as well. Next is the blusher. Mix the color together and put some blusher on the face like so. And then now is glow time. Just apply it on high point of your face like so. I just love this highlighter. This was one of my favorite highlighter. Okay, you see the glow. Oh my god, so pretty. Oh, the glow is life. And then next will be contour the lower part of your lips to make it more bigger. And then with So.lek inang, apply it on the lips like so. And I'm gonna mix it with So.lek gincu cempaka. And we're done. No, we're not done yet. Spray, setting spray, and boom, we're done.
So this is the look. I think it's supposed to be Arabic. I look, yeah. So this is it. I hope you like this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe for more makeup videos from me. Okay, yeah, that's all for now, and goodbye.
Low down, which she responded that she was leaving at that moment.